Welcome to Wine Fact Wednesday. We tend to associate champagne as a white sparkling wine, sometimes rosé. But did you know that most white champagne is actually made with a combination of red and white grapes? The Champagne region of France is dominated by 3 grapes of the 7 permitted. Chardonnay, which is white, but also Pinot Noir and Meunier, which are both red grapes and actually account for about 70% of the plantings in Champagne. In fact, finding a champagne made exclusively from white grapes, a Blanc de Blanc, such as this Tanger right here, is actually comparatively rare and tends to be quite a bit more expensive. The reason all this is possible is because colour in virtually all red wines comes from the skin. Therefore, by removing the skins as soon as the juice has been pressed, crystal clear white wine can easily be attained from red grapes, as it is in Champagne. Until next time, cheers.